Living near the coast offers breathtaking views, but comes with unique challenges for your garage door. Salt air accelerates corrosion on metal components. High humidity warps wood and rusts metal, and intense storms often cause physical damage or misalignments. Add UV radiation, fading surfaces and temperature fluctuations, stressing materials, and your garage door can quickly deteriorate without proper care. Studies show coastal homes face 150% more maintenance issues and spend $425 more annually on garage door upkeep than inland properties. Regular inspections, cleaning, and preventive measures like weather-resistant materials can protect your investment and ensure optimal performance. Don't let coastal conditions compromise your garage door's durability and safety. Contact Tip Top Garage Door today. Our experienced team in Boca Raton for expert repairs and customized maintenance solutions designed for coastal living.